Hey everybody, welcome to Kitchen Journeys with Lori. Today we're going to make some air fried broccoli. So I've got a couple cups of broccoli in there. I've added salt and pepper and about a tablespoon of oil. And I'm going to put my lid on my wonderful Tupperware that I love, by the way. Shake, 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 shake. Not too hard. Here's my air fryer pan. Put my broccoli in my air fryer pan. Put it in there, lid on, and then I'm going to check it at 10 minutes. Okay, it's got this nice little browning around the edges. That's perfect. So I'm going to shut it off and then remove it from the oven and let it cool down. And there's your air fried broccoli.